Hi, I'm Eva.
My name is Leon.
And today we are going to talk about the Golgi Apparatus.
And the ribosomes. Firstly, we want to show you a great band.
They are very famous, but no one knows about them.
Yes.
Hi, today I'm going to talk about the Golgi Apparatus. It is named after its discoverer Golgi. So, here is the cell nucleus, and around it there's rough ER, which is involved in making proteins, and soft ER, which is involved in making fats. Here are located the ribosomes, and Leo is going to tell you more about them. So, whenever the proteins want to travel to the Golgi apparatus, they go through things called vesicles. They transport the proteins and lipids from the ER to the Golgi apparatus. Now I will draw it. It looks like this. What the Golgi apparatus does is that it acts like a post office. It receives the proteins from the nucleus and then puts them in packages according to their use. Some go to the bloodstream and others go to different parts of the body. After the Golgi apparatus is done packaging, new vesicles are formed. When the new vesicles are formed, the proteins and lipids wait for other proteins and lipids in order to make a hole in the cell membrane. These vesicles are pretty large, so they should wait until another proteins are gained and then travel to the cell membrane. After they have passed the cell membrane, they go to different parts of the body, such as I said, bloodstream and other important parts. So basically this is what the Golgi apparatus does.
Hello! Today I'm going to talk about the ribosomes, which is the next thing of our presentation. So I'm not going to give you a definition of what the ribosomes are and how they act, but instead I'm going to draw a cell. In the cell there will be a nucleus, and my goal is to explain you how the proteins are made in the cell. And by the time I have explained you this, you will get the idea of what the ribosomes are and how they act. So here in the nucleus, this is the nucleus, are the DNAs. And the DNAs contain the information and everything that is needed in order to build the proteins. So this is the nucleus, and inside the nucleus is the DNA, which has all the information and the instructions of how to make proteins. Well, the proteins in a cell are probably made somewhere here in the cytoplasm. So here is where the proteins are made. Here is the instruction of how to make them. So how will the information travel from here to here, since the DNA cannot leave the nucleus? It can never leave the nucleus. So there is something called the mRNA, which is the messenger mRNA. And the messenger RNA is what sends the instructions taken from the DNA right to the place they're made. So the mRNA is the thing that transports all the informations and the instructions of how to build a protein to the place where they're built. So the place they're built, or the workbench where the proteins are made, is called the ribosomes. Stop it there!
No.
So the ribosomes are, as I said, the things where the proteins are made. And here are the proteins. And they will be made using the mRNA. But an important thing to know is that mRNA is not an ingredient. It is only the thing that transports the information. So the ingredient for making the proteins is called amino acids. As you probably know, because many bodybuilders take them in order to have more energy and to stimulate their muscles. And the amino acid is the main ingredient that builds the protein. So what does the mRNA exactly is that it takes the amino acids and together they form the proteins. But here is another thing. Why is mRNA needed since we have amino acids? Because they cannot form the proteins by themselves. So the mRNA together with the amino acids make the proteins in the ribosomes. And this is the importance of the ribosomes, because without the ribosomes there won't be proteins made.
Съжалявам. Дай пак. Препрестаните нормални си, бе!
Десим като куката. Куба си десим като куката. Клати за бати. Клати за мама, после клати за тата.
I approve this video of the Golgi Apparatus. He is great accordingly.
Alright, thank you for your attention.
Thank you for your attention.